This is how I make my catfish full of flavor without having to fry it or drown it in butter. Watch this. Now here's some of the ingredients you need for this catfish. First, you're gonna need some garlic. Go ahead and mince up a couple cloves of that. If you love a lot of garlic, use a lot of garlic. Set it in a bowl. Grab a lemon and zest it into that same bowl. Grab your parsley and give it a nice chop just to add a little bit more freshness to this dish. Add some olive oil to bring this all together. And then for flavor, we're using that Delta Dust Blackened Seasoning. The best way I can describe the flavor is like Papados in a bottle. Cajun flavors on 100. Get it from UncleDibs.com. Add some lemon juice and give everything a nice mix. Now we're gonna season up our catfish with the Delta Dust, and then we're gonna pour that beautiful marinade all over those fillets. Try to let that sit in the fridge for at least 20 minutes, but if you have a little bit of time, go ahead and let it ride in there for an hour. Now all you gotta do is slide these in the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 to 15 minutes. No grease, no fried catfish smelling up the house, just a nice, beautiful, healthy alternative for dinner tonight. If you'd like this full recipe, make sure you visit the link in my bio. And oh yeah, make sure you bring your hot sauce too. That's good, shawty.